Kaelen, Boraka. Dat ur dat.
Rima.
The air is wrong today.
Welcome to one of the driest cliff villages on Earth. Here, water is worth more than gold. But today, what they fear most is the sky.
We call the alarm. This mountain is charged. Inside! Take the metal in!
This is a dry thunderstorm. Lightning without rain. The whole mountain turns into a slow-burning bomb.
All metal away from the walls. Fast! No one touch! Bare metal! Fire alert! To the cave! Bring every basket!
They don't run away. They're gearing up for a fight. Their only shield against lightning and flame is mud.
Watch your footing. No metal tools below the lamps.
Deeper! Get it heavy! Light mud won't save thatch! Keep 'em moving! Roof's first row! Get ready!
This wet armor keeps the lightning from turning these roofs into torches.
2 fingers thick! No grass showing!
It's hitting everywhere but here, for now.
The wind has turned traitor. It's lifting the fire straight up the mountain toward them.
It's coming for the granary. Too far for water. We can't reach it. If we cut the ladder, the fire dies here. Then cut fast. We cut the fire's path, or it cuts us off this cliff. Left. To your left. Fall, damn you! You're not getting past me. We have you, Kael. Cut! And climb! Faster! Pull as soon as I shout, no matter what. Last one, Kael. That's the doorway.
He goes for a single, all-or-nothing kick. Either the root gives, or his footing does.
Gap's holding. It's not climbing anymore.
Ow! Fast! Before the rope gives! You cut the fire's throat, brother! Not yet. Look up.
The storm is sitting on us now.
And then, the sky tears itself apart right above your head.
The ridge.
If that hit the roof,
Count your fingers.
It baked the mud, but the grass is untouched.
The mud saved them. In a single strike, it turned from soft clay into a fired armor, like bricks.
do you smell that?
If the storm spares us fire, maybe it will give us water.
The dry storm is over. The mountain finally breathes.
We fought the fire, and the sky rewards us.
Fill them all. This is next month's drinking water.
This rain doesn't just kill the last sparks. It brings a season's worth of life to a valley that usually forgets what water tastes like.
Best shower of my life, courtesy of the storm that nearly killed us.
The storm leaves marks, but it also leaves you alive enough to see them fade.
Shadow, you're flooding the house more than the storm.
From the same sky that sends fire comes this.
We'll remember.
After a night fighting fire with earth, nothing tastes better than a hot, simple bread. Out here, survival and beauty are never far apart. You just have to live long enough to see both.
We'll have to climb again, fix the walls.
We always do.
This will hold until the next season. We wear the storm on our roof now.
From far away, it looks peaceful again. But every crack, every blackened rock has a story burned into it.
Guide it gently. Don't let it vanish into the rock.
Even here, colors find a way.
This one retires to hauling grain. No more cliffs for it.
Agreed. Tonight, we eat slow and talk long.
This village clings to stone, but its people are still nomads at heart. The cliff is just one camp on a longer road.
He kicked that bush like it owed him food.
And the mountain actually listened.
For them, storms aren't just weather. They're messages and warnings, and sometimes gifts. Tonight, they sleep a little deeper, knowing that when the next storm comes, they'll climb, dig, and fight all over again.
We rest. The mountain doesn't.
when the sky is calm again, it's hard to believe it was trying to kill you a few hours ago.
People will think this is CGI.